There is nothing better to juice on a cold winter day than the sweet potato, and I have got a little friend here today. Let me just tell you about my new little friend. I left to go to the store earlier. He's trying to be the star of the show, which that's fine, I'll let him. I went to the store earlier today, and when I left my apartment, guys, this beautiful chocolate lab was just sitting right there outside my apartment. He followed me to my car. I got in my car. He was still sitting there. I opened up my car door to pet him, and he hopped right in my car. So I got him some dog food. I got him a collar at the store. He didn't have a collar on him. I looked for his rightful owner. Couldn't find his owner anywhere, guys. And beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dog. I'm hoping, actually, I don't find an owner because I really, at this point, want to keep him. But he is such a blessing. He's just a bundle of energy, and he is so much fun. He's just so much fun. I mean, he's a beautiful, beautiful chocolate lab, full of tons of energy. I thought I had a lot of energy. No, no, no. And when I got back to my apartment from the store with him, he climbed right up my stairs of my apartment, and he immediately found an apple on the floor, and he started eating the apple. So I knew he was hungry, and of course I fed him, and I gave him a lot of water. He was very, very thirsty. He drank water for a very long time, and you know, I'm kind of really excited about this because I haven't had a dog like this in a long time. I had a chocolate lab when I was younger, but I haven't had a dog in a long time, and he's just a bundle of energy. He's been such a blessing to me today. So I am going to continue looking for his rightful owner because he looked to be in really good condition. Younger male dog, beautiful chocolate lab, beautiful chocolate lab. I'm so blessed to have found him because even if I just get to keep him for a day or two, he's just been such a blessing to me. And he loves sweet potatoes. He loves them. He loves them. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Peace, love, positive vibration. I'm going to play with my dog.